Saber fans, it's your old pal Megtooth Sith. When I got here, this is a Ultra Sabers Emperor's Hand, and this is basically a saber that is it's a replica of Mara Jade's lightsaber. On the saber, I did something really special. So on the control box, where the two screws go, on the forward screw, I actually put a 1.3 millimeter recharge port and a twisting kill key. And then in the where the bottom screw is at, I actually added a brass hat tactile switch. And I actually milled that little brass hat, my hand, me, out of some brass standoffs. Thanks to Jedi Sith. And then it's got an illuminated 16 millimeter, momentary switch here. Now, which I'm having. There's thrust, where you just thrust the saber forward and turn it on. You can also swing it on. And when you swing it on, it's in battle mode, so you get automatic lockup. You get automatic melt, like that. You also get automatic tip drag. And all you have to do is move the saber and it turns that function back off. Now, this is a gimmick blade that was on the saber when I first installed it. And, it's Britney bitch, because Eric's wife is a big Britney Spears fan. Just leave her alone! Pink blade. Accent swings. This wasn't me. This is customer request again. I like Metallica.